I'm actually next.
McKay. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the holidays are over, but there is still time to celebrate because I am going to be unboxing the Daily Goodie Box. And if you guys are not familiar, the Daily Goodie Box gives out these free boxes of full-size products, and some are samples, but mostly full-size. I have all the information across the screen as well as down below in the description box so that you guys can not only see what I'm unboxing here, but you can get your hands on some of those items as well. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and get into this because I'm excited, and it is the end of 2020 and I am ready to go out with a bang. So the first thing I have here, is a strawberry drink. This is Miami strawberry, and this is from, I think this is called a NOCCO. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, Miami strawberry. Cheers. This is good. Just a good simple strawberry drink. It is 180 milligrams of caffeine. This is sugar-free, and this is a carbonated beverage. Yeah, this is delicious. It will be even better if it's cold, but right now, we're sampling this straight out the box. But yeah, so far so good. Good job, NOCCO. So this next item here, something I have to keep protected. This is some daily serum. And this is from the company called Real Chemistry. Oh, I love a good serum. Yeah, look how pretty this bottle is. They always have like the best packaging. Let's see if the serum has a scent to it. Most of them don't, but it doesn't hurt to check it out. It does actually smell good. Okay, the ones that I have are all like ones that you can use just once a day, but this one you can use twice a day. I see you, Real Chemistry. What is this? Oh. Yes. So this is from Ayurvedic. Hope I pronounced that right. Ayurvedic formula, Auromere. So this is a shampoo bar with neem. That is so neat. So yeah, they have this shampoo in the form that looks like soap. Take it out and show you all what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Is that like a little sun? So yeah, as you guys can see right there, it's like a little sun. And then of course it has the name of the company there, Auromere. Yeah, look at that. And it smells good. I like the little packaging. Very cute. So this next item here is a GoodLight, and these are 12 birthday candles. Okay, I'm gonna use this on the next person's birthday. Who's next? What month is this? I'm actually next. My birthday is in February. So for those of you that are looking to give me a gift, I have the information in the description box if you guys want to send something. These are vegan. Okay, these are vegan candles. How many of you have vegan candles in your house, okay? But yeah, these are the candles. Very pretty, very colorful. And I will be using these. Is this something I drink when I'm gonna get intoxicated? Or is this something that kind of helps to prevent you from getting too tipsy? So they have 2 servings of these in here, and these are gummies. And what they say is that you take 5 gummies before you drink. But I think if the more you drink, it is better advised that you go ahead and take 10 of them. And these are going to not necessarily take away that feeling that you get when you're getting tipsy, but it will actually make you feel a whole lot better the next day. So good. Okay. I actually am so curious. I know you are too. You want to see what these look like. Oh. Oh, I wasn't expecting that smell. Just a gummy. Wow. It tastes exactly the way it smells. Okay. So this next one here is good, okay, especially during this time. This is the Immune System Boost Elderberry, and this is from Hydralyte. And this is a powder form here. And this has 1,000 milligrams, guys, of vitamin, look at that, 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. This is an electrolyte, a zinc, and it's an energy drink. And they said you have 3 packets of this here on the inside. These are organic Eco Lips Hemp. Okay, this is in the scent vanilla mint. I bet that smells so good. Oh, ouch. I actually hurt myself because this, yeah, as you can see, this one has been cracked open. Crap, I hate that. It got damaged. Crap. Smells good. Yeah, but it's already like open. I want to be safe, but yeah. Dag nabbit, but yeah, it does smell good. The last item in my Daily Goodie Box for the month of December and the end of 2020, beef jerky. This is from the company Bella Sun Luci. I like that name, Bella Sun Luci. And these are the original plant-based tomato jerky. Oh. Ooh, and they said it, wait a minute. This is hot. Okay, this is hot tomato jerky. And they said that this is a plant-based product. And, ooh. Okay, it's a good thing I have something to drink because I'm a little scared right now. Me and hot food sometimes don't mix. This is very creative though. I've never seen dried tomatoes. You can see, look at that. It's a real tomato. Okay, you're tasting a tomato. The spicy is not that spicy. It's literally just a little bit of a twang, I would say. So if you see this in stores and you try it, has that Sriracha taste. If you guys like spicy, you'll like this. Well, if you are impressed with the items that you've seen inside this box here, then you guys can find information on each of these items and the companies, and all that will be down below in the description box, as well as how you guys can get signed up for a possibility of getting a Daily Goodie Box. Always remember that when you go to their Facebook page, that is one of the best ways of having a chance at getting a box. But yeah, definitely check out dailygoodiebox.com. Check out all of their social media. Hit the like, subscribe. Yes, do what you need to do to become a part of the family. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in 2021 with much more. Until then, guys, bye.